such an horrendous exploit. But my feeling now is we need to change our security strategy by way of creating an environment where we will include all stakeholders, particularly the mosque, the churches, our religious leaders, our traditional leaders, to do more of sensitization. Because if a 29-year-old person can be so heartless to carry out such killings, it is actually a disturbing trend. And unfortunately, these victims are all innocent kids. Because the first one was going to work, the second one was sent on an errand, the third one was sent on an errand. So, and he just entrapped by way of cajoling them into their untimely death. Well, it's a pity, but the law has to take its course. But I believe we need to escalate this so that our youths will be reminded that the only road to success is hard work.
Okay, does it keep for money or just for fun?
Initially, I was thinking he's deranged, but my conversation with him is of sound mind. He abducted them for money. He will steal their phone, tie them, strangulate them. Thereafter, use their phone to seek for ransom from their parents. The first one he collected 50,000. The other one he collected 17,000 naira. The last one he collected 30,000 naira.
Well, we have seen many of these. How much more do you do follow up? Because people will only hear exhuming, arresting, and they don't know what comes out of it at the end of the day.
Why the reason behind going to the scene is to perfect our investigation. And I believe that is all the court needs to pass their judgment. This, as far as I know, is a decided matter.
Okay, they are arraigning him for?
Obviously, for kidnapping, murder, conspiracy.
So one of his confession, he said the parents of one of the victims said that
that was just an afterthought. He used to work with the father of the last victim. And the father sent the daughter to the farm. He is being almost part of the family. He was aware when the lady was going to the farm. He trailed her to the point and kidnapped her and strangulated her just because he wanted to collect the phone and get some ransom.
How about the last victim, my sis?
That was the one I'm talking about.
Where the dead body of the girl too?
Well, but since the incident happened right inside the farm of the victim's father, so that one has been identified, has been retrieved all before now. So that's why there's no point bothering to go to that location because they have identified the corpse there.
I'm like this medium to advise the citizen.
It's okay now. Afurasí ọ̀daràn náà àti kọmíṣánná ọlọ́pàá ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn ti fi.
How many you don't keep?
Me and Danjuma kill one person and I only kill 2 people alone. Me and Danjuma kill one person, but I only kill 2 people.
Where you know Danjuma?
Danjuma is a cultist.
It's your friend, Abi?
Yes.
You live together?
No, we live in the same area.
At where?
At Randa.
Rwanda.
Oh, you once said it's Alejo.
At Randa. That is where my father built house.
Okay, you live in Rwanda
Before
but you're not.
Before I get case.
What thing lead you to the first prison where you go before you come back?
You know, it's robbery. That they used to.
So after coming back,
It's robbery that they used to carry me.
to kidnapping and
Where is that your friend? Danjuma, yes.
They have not catch him yet.
where he go? Where do you know where he is?
I don't eventually know where he is now, but I know that he'll be around that Randa. But not used to stay in one place.